everyone, welcome to another Pro Charts video. My name is Lawton here with Verified Investing, and in today's video we're going to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. But before I get to that cryptocurrency, please comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps us out and helps us to continue to create free content for you guys to enjoy. With that being said, let's hop right into it and start with the biggest, Bitcoin. And now Bitcoin, I'm just going to pause right here, has a pattern playing out. Now, I want you to take a second and see if you can spot the pattern. And I'm going to give you a hint. It's a bullish pattern. So why is Lawton bullish on Bitcoin? Well, because it has two very distinct patterns that I'm watching. These are inverse head and shoulder patterns, right? However you want to draw it, there's an inverse head and shoulders pattern there. And an additional inverse head and shoulders pattern, kind of like right here, right? Depending on how you want to draw the neckline, it may have already broken, right? May have already broken and retraced. But regardless, there is a measured move for the smaller one to go up to around just above 70,000, so 71,650. Let's try the secondary one. Secondary one is going to be a move up, just pretty much the same, just around $72,000 level. So for me, I actually really do like this pattern formation on Bitcoin, and I think that it could go higher. It wouldn't surprise me to see 70K Bitcoin within the next 2 weeks or so, right? A good technical bounce here on Bitcoin based on this pattern. You have to remember as well that looking at the chart, Bitcoin is way down, is about almost 50% down from its previous all-time highs just made towards the end of last year. So definitely something to watch. But the question is, are the altcoins going to follow? Does Ethereum have the same pattern? Well, generally speaking, the charts like to follow the altcoins. The other non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies tend to follow Bitcoin's price action. So if Bitcoin goes up, the entire crypto market should get a bounce. But just because it should get a bounce doesn't mean it will get a bounce, right? And if we take a look here on Ethereum, try and pull out that same pattern, you could say, wow, look, there's also a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. But there's one problem here. And that is the left shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders pattern is actually gotten a bit lower than the head. Not by much, but still. So it would make this pattern not valid. But regardless, Ethereum is having a nice day today. And this is still a pretty good trend line, right? Even though it's not, an inverse head and shoulders pattern, it is a good trend line that we're breaking up and out of. So if Ethereum does continue to push up, I anticipate a good amount of resistance all throughout this $2,000 level. You can see all back towards the beginning of the year. There's so much consolidation and choppiness in and around it for both support and resistance. Same thing here back in May. And then coming into this level, I anticipate some resistance there around $2,000. So we'll see if Ethereum can continue to push higher or pull back from that key $2,000 level. Moving on to XRP. And we're gonna continue to talk about these inverse head and shoulders, putting in a beautiful, right, really beautiful inverse head and shoulders here. However you want to kind of draw it. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders, and then we'll go ahead and find that measured move on it. I don't love this left shoulder, right, but it's still valid. Would be a measured move up about 20%. Really, really nice there to around $1.33, $1.34, right? We're looking to break today. We broke yesterday, but we're unable to confirm above. Same thing with today. So what we're looking for is a close above, confirmation, and then potentially a move higher there on XRP, up towards that 133, 134 level, about 20% higher. Now, if that inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin breaks, you have to expect that the inverse head and shoulders on XRP is going to likely follow. Next stock we're talking about, or cryptocurrency coin, we're going to talk about is SUI. And I said it earlier, we're just going to go inverse head and shoulder after inverse head and shoulders. I'm pretty bullish here on crypto just because of this. And if we take a look right here at SUI, beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let's go ahead and find that measured move right here. Boom, boom, boom. That measured move would be a move up 20%. Close to that 90 cent to 91 cent region, but 20.5% to the upside, right? And scrolling back and looking back, you know that this is also going to be tons and tons and tons of resistance here, just because you see all this consolidation basically between this 82 cent to basically dollar level. So just putting that measured move right in that kind of range of resistance there for SUI. And finally, let's talk a little bit about Pengu. Pengu, again, we're just going to continue beating the horn. Inverse head and shoulders galore, right? An additional inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Let's see this measured move for this inverse head and shoulders pattern would be a move up to roughly 25% higher, right, to this 0.008, 0.0082 region, an area that we are all too familiar with because you can see tons of resistance around here, support, and then resistance. You see how pivotal this, this region is, just basically where that measured move is. There's been a lot of price action in and around that region in the past. So this is certainly something to watch there in Pengu. But with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to this page. It really helps the algorithms know that, hey, you want to see more content just like this. And we put out 2 free videos every single day on this channel talking about cryptocurrency, stocks, currency, market movers. There are tons of different things, commodities even. So stay tuned for that video later. But anyways, guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Thursday, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Take it easy. Bye, guys.